It's me, Len Dragon, ang babaeng dragon na di bumubuga ng apoy. And today, we are going to greet our Mami Jovita Russell. A happy birthday to you, Mami. Sorry, Mami, walang kaayos-ayos dahil work mode. Pero ayan, di natin makakalimutan nagmuha ng pagbati para sa ating napaka-supportive na Mami ng YT. Walang iba kong ating Mami Jovita Russell. Kung hindi pa kayo naka-subscribe sa ating Mami Jovita, ayan, isubscribe nyo na yan para monetize channel ang kanyang YouTube channel na Jovita Russell at yung kay Daddy Ken Russell. Ayan, we love you so much, Mami Jovita, and may the Lord give you much more birthdays to come, good health lagi, and long life. Ayan, we love you, Mami Jovita, and hopefully, malay mo, magkita rin tayo soon. Ayan, if God's will. So, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. This is me, Len Dragon. Ang babaeng dragon na di bumubugar pa saying, I love you all from the bottom of my heart and may balon-balunan. God bless us all. Mwah! Chup chup! Bye-bye!